is to move this tub up so you get a lift under it, and that way they can lift the person out. So that means I have to rebuild the floor to handle the lift and put another floor for this to sit on, move all the plumbing, change those tubs around. So we're going to replace all this floor so it'll be strong. We're going to add a lot of wood, and we're going to make the place a lot better than it was. Along, basically the funner part is tearing things up, I guess, particularly for a lot of other people. I would rather put things together, but anyway, we took up the laminate floor, which hides a lot of sins, but they noticed that there was a lot of soft areas and weird feeling places in here, so you can see that they did some patching here and it wasn't high enough, so they added some paneling, it's an overlayment, and then they put down peel and stick, and that's one of the reasons I quit using the peel stick without putting additional glue, troweling it down, because the factory glue will let it move. But they didn't like that, so the people who were selling it put this over everything, which of course that area will probably bend. It had to have, this is 5/8 most likely, the particle board. So that means somebody put 1/2 inch and then had to put some overlayment to bring it up. So it's pretty weak. But if you come over here by the toilet, they patched up that area before they put the laminate floor over. That's the kind of thing that I see a lot with laminate floor when a house is getting flipped. Like, oh, let's just run it over. And the thickness of this floor will carry a lot of weight, but invariably, whatever's below it will give out. So we're not going to do that. We're going to take all this particle board up and we're going to put in real plywood flooring and this made for flooring, and we're going to get rid of all that. We're going to add a lot more 2-bys underneath. We'll take pictures as we go along and video. So there you go, guys. We're this far along. We're still tearing things up.